Hello, my name is Mr. Zoblin. I work for the Simpson campus at One Bright Ray. I'm an English teacher, and I'm going to show you how to use Edgenuity today, just to move around in it. First things first, you want to log in at edgenuity.com, but if you ever forget or you don't know how to spell or whatever, just type in student login Edgenuity into Google, and make sure you type in student because there's also a teacher login, which you are not doing. Again, make sure you click student here. I already have this sample info in. There's going to be a lot of sample classes because this is, again, like the sample account for OBR. So when you log in, you might get this message. Just click continue. When you log in, you're going to see your classes. You're not going to have this many because this is all the OBR classes, but you'll probably have 3, maybe 2, maybe 1, depending upon what you pick. But what you need to know is this. At the top right, you have your message center. Let's say a teacher emails you, you want to email a teacher, boom, new message. Also, we have the Google Suite, so you can just message on Google, but you might get an Edgenuity message. Right here, it says you are 0% complete. Well, I haven't started any of these sample classes, but once you start doing work, you're going to see your progress percentage go up. This bar is, where you should be. Again, we haven't done anything, so we're all the way over here. But let's say you do an assignment, maybe it'll be 1% complete or 2%. There's 2 ways you can get to your assignments. One is you click next activity right here, and it takes you to whatever activity you have next. To progress through the activities, you have to press next at the bottom. But to be able to do that, sometimes you have to do what's being asked of you in the lesson. For example, it wants us to type this word escarpments. So then it probably wants us to play these things, and I'm not going to do that. But if you seem stuck, ask yourself, is Edgenuity prompting me to do any of the activities on the screen? It doesn't just let you go through all the time. Let's say you want to go back, or sometimes it freezes and you need to start the lesson over. You click on this home arrow up here, top left, and it brings you back to your screen. Something I really want to key in on is this blue circle for each class. If you click on it, it shows you what activities you still have to do, about how long they're going to take. And it shows you the order they're going to appear, the different units on the right side. So I really like this blue screen to check out what's going on. The other thing you can do here is check your progress. How are you doing on your test? How are you doing on your quizzes? One thing to know about Edgenuity is that you need a 60% over here with your grade, but you also need to complete the whole thing. So some students, they'll get 100% on the first couple lessons, and they're like, I have 100, I have 100. That's not really true because of the fact that you are behind. So again, you need to get that 60% grade, but you also need to pass the class. One thing I want to add is when you have a quiz or a test, after you take a certain amount, if you fail the first 2 attempts, you will be locked out. Then what you want to do is message your teacher either up here or via email, explain, I'm really struggling, I've been locked out of this quiz, test, and then you want to schedule an academic support meeting, because it wouldn't make sense to be like, oh, let's give you another shot without studying or talking about it. So to get that 3rd try unlocked, you'll want to meet with your teacher or administrator and talk about what's going on, maybe how we can help you pass, or maybe get you some notes or something of that nature. All Edgenuity courses have guided notes. They are available upon request. So ask your teacher for those things. Ask your teacher for that academic support. We are here to help you, and you will see that progress go up, and you will see yourself complete these activities. I hope this was helpful, and good luck in the coming weeks.